everybody? Black Metal here, getting ready to see Halloween. So this is the Morristown section of, this is the Secaucus line going over there, and over here is the a freight line. I think that's Norfolk Southern. So we are currently on the New Jersey Transit train 6/1923. So this is a, as you can see behind here, is Lehigh line. Usually because of the interlocking. So I think this is the Lehigh line or something. Pretty sure. This is the only real freight video I've had, or I've saw, really, that's in real life. So you're gonna get some Halloween footage today, and you're gonna get some freight video. Here, I was just telling my cousin that requested me not to have him filmed. As we approach, I forgot what line. If most of you rail fans know what this line is, please tell me in the comments. As that might be the Lehigh line because of the double stack containers here, and we've got the substation and the signal, and we're picking up speed again. So a little treat for you guys that want me to film freight. A long freight train over there, and approaching the maintenance Meadows complex. That is the Meadows complex. You've got some Arrow 3 trains approaching the Hoboken line. So, and I apologize about the music in the background. People don't really understand that people want to film, but if you do hear, what? Cut it out? Why? All right, so I will see you guys later. Happy Halloween. Doo-da-doo-da.